Hi, my name is Nedra Hodgkins, and I'm the Executive Director of the Lubbock Children's Health Clinic and a proud partner agency of the United Way. I am so excited to be a part of the United Way. Lubbock Children's Health Clinic is one of their oldest, actually, partners. Due to the funding that we receive from the United Way, we are so fortunate to be able to help children in East as well as North Lubbock and all of our surrounding communities with medical care. So as I take you to our walking tour, we'll talk a little bit more about the work that we do here. So at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic, we are a pediatric clinic, which means that we see children from age birth to age 18 years of age, which is pretty like a wide stream. The services that we're able to provide is sick visits. We're able to provide well clinics. We're able to provide physicals, as well as anything that kind of goes on with your child. What is really unique about the services that we're able to provide here at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic is the fact that we don't turn any child away for their parents' inability to pay. And so we are a strong advocate of making sure that children have a medical home, and that's a place where they go for all of their medical needs, regardless of what their situation is. And so oftentimes with families in these areas may not always know where to go, we want to be that place that they go for their healthcare needs. And so this is what Lubbock Children's Health Clinic is. We're currently on our East location, currently right now, and so we're in our Talkaton building that's about probably 10 years old. And so when we have built this building, we built it in mind to be able to collaborate with other services, to be able to have a lab, to be able to have a full scope of services for individuals in this community, and we've been able to do that really successfully. When you ask if you can come here, what does it mean? Do you have to be on Medicaid? The majority of the children that we do see at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic are on Medicaid. However, we accept all insurances. At our North Clinic location, we're also able to provide a eye clinic, so children who needs eyeglasses can come at any time. But our goal really at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic is not only to be a solid foundation for children in our community for healthcare, it's also to be a strong resource for our other United Way agencies, and being able to connect our families to other resources and do that very intentionally, because that's really important for the individuals that we serve. So at this time, I'm going to walk you in and we'll talk a little bit more about what we do here at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic. So here's our lobby. Lubbock Children's Health Clinic, we have receptionists and we have our medical providers as well as our nurse practitioners who sees all of our children. We have a huge nursing station, so when children are able to come into Lubbock Children's Health Clinic, they're taken back. This is one of our intake rooms. We're very fortunate because of funding that we're able to receive. We have all new equipment in our areas, vision screeners as well. You walk through here. We also have a full lab, which is really awesome for a lot of our families because it allows us to be able to do every lab that we need to do here. Everything from all of their flu testing, their immunizations. We don't have to send children away. We actually do everything in-house, which is a blessing. And we also do that at no charge for our families as well too. We're also able to provide free medications and vouchers for children who can't afford prescriptions. So that's really important. Just real briefly, this is just a basic size of one of our exam rooms here at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic. And so we actually have probably about 8 rooms that's available that we can house children in on either side. So we have a very big clinic to be able to see children. A lot of our families are large families, and so they're able to kind of come in as well too. During this time of the year, we do quite a bit of physicals and things of that nature. So at Lubbock Children's Health Clinic, we just want a lot of our families to know and people in the community how fortunate we are to be able to serve this community. But more importantly, again, we want to be a medical home for children and provide their services. At Lubbock Children's Health Clinic, we are committed to the children within our community. We have an awesome staff to be able to take care of them. And so a lot of families are like, what do I have to do? Do I have to make an appointment? No. You can make an appointment. You can walk into our clinic. We're open Monday through Friday from 8 to 5. And we just want everyone to know that this is your medical home, and these are services available for all children regardless of what area of town in all of our surrounding communities. So we welcome you into our home. We welcome you to Lubbock Children's Health Clinic.